I'm Paolo Torricella from EFI Reggiani. I'm proud to introduce you FLEXY. FLEXY is the latest digital textile printer which allows you to print from a short run to a long run with industrial capabilities with the lowest cost per meter. FLEXY has got a built-in fabric unwinder which controls the tension, especially on knit fabric, in a very accurate way. It can unwind rolls up to 400 millimeters of diameter, and it is specific for high stretch fabric, where it is very important not to apply any tension, any stretching. FLEXY has got an additional denser bar which prevents any fabric creasing. By means of a Dynaplast, which is a special cylinder which is designed to control the tension, we can glue, we can stick any type of fabric onto a Kevlar sticky belt. It is very important the use of this cylinder because thanks to its activation, its heat, it is designed to flatten any fabric before printing. FLEXY runs with high-tech materials. The beam is made by stainless steel. The linear guides are made by the same material, means that the thermal expansion between two identical materials is negligible. The carriage runs from right to left thanks to a linear motor. This linear motor is controlled by a magnetic encoder. This magnetic encoder is not affected by ink spray. The printing carriage is made by aluminum, titanium, magnesium. The head plate is made by stainless steel, so it is resistant to corrosion and to thermal expansion. The positioning of the head is very precise and it does not require any manual adjustments because the heads are placed inside the carriage, and once you close the screw, there's no need of manual adjustment. Right after printing, the fabric goes into the dryer. The dryer uses a conveyor belt with a special material which can resist up to 200 Celsius. Our oven, our dryer, can be heated by electricity, gas, diathermic oil, or steam. All of the above, thanks to a conveyor belt, we further reduce the stretching of the material during drying. Dryer has got a symmetric ventilation system, left and right, which ensure a proper fabric drying across the width. Right after printing, there is a rewinder or a plating device. Both of them are designed to further eliminate, dramatically reduce the stretching of the fabric. It is flexible to handle the majority of the fabrics. Its highly competitive total cost of ownership is costing 10% less on each printed meter. It is also redefining the interaction between man and machine. This machine has got a unique software which tells you in advance how many grams you will be using and what will be the printing speed. So you can costify and predict the printing speed of the machine as well as your cost. Thanks to its unique ink recovery system, every time you purge the heads, 95% of the ink goes back into the tank. This makes a great saving for you, for the environment, and for the cost of printing. Geometry, what is that? Is a feature which is embedded into every FLEXY machine, which allows the user to automatically leave the machine reading the width of the fabric, centering the image, scaling it automatically, setting a step and repeat feature in order to maximize the performance and the uptime of the machine. This machine comes with an environmental sensor, which is mounted inside the printing chamber. This tells you and the operator what is the humidity, what is the temperature, in order to make sure that you always run your printer within the specs. Printing speed, well, that's a serious feature. We have 1 pass, 2 pass, 3, up to 4 pass. You can print easy jobs with 1 pass at 400 and more square meters per hour. Real running speed with full solid color at 2 pass is 200 square meters per hour and more. FLEXY is unique because it prints 50% more meter than its direct competitors. Use less ink thanks to a unique recovery system.